talk a lot about my big mama on here, so you guys know she is my muse, my inspiration for grandbaby cakes. And I love her sweet potato pie. It is my all-time favorite. If you're looking for that recipe, go check out that video. But this one is a mix of two of her most spectacular pies, the sweet potato pie and the buttermilk pie. So if you've ever had Southern buttermilk pie, you know how delicious that custardy, smooth filling is, right? But if you put the two together, you have something seriously so magical. You don't have to choose this Thanksgiving, right? If you want buttermilk pie and if you want sweet potato pie, you can have both in this double crusted pie. Let me show you how to make it. First things first, booze. Get those sweet potatoes together and add them to your mixer. Let them whip a bit and then drop in your butter, your sugar, and yes, you gotta add those eggs nice and slow. Hit it with vanilla extract for flavor and then some evaporated milk like Big Mama always did. She loved pet milk, by the way. We're not done yet. We need some salt, some nutmeg, and some cinnamon. Once everything's in the bowl, mix that baby up. If you want to make the pie crust from scratch like I did, go to grandbaby-cakes.com for the full recipe. It's the best ever, and it's actually pretty easy to pull off. When your dough is ready, press it into your pie dish, and then to keep it from bubbling up, we gotta add some pie weights, beans or rice, whichever you prefer, and then we're gonna let that par bake for about 10 minutes. Now, for the buttermilk pie filling, we add butter and sugar. We cream that for a little. Then we add the eggs, more vanilla, cornstarch, flour, a little salt, and your buttermilk. That's what goes right on top of that gorgeous sweet potato pie mixture. Bake it at 350 for about an hour and 10 minutes, and make sure you check that oven. Booze. This double crusted sweet potato pie is literally everything. Do you see that? I mean, it looks absolutely delicious and it's super gorgeous too. I can't even put into words how much I love this recipe. If you don't know what to make for the holidays, I already took care of y'all, okay? Make sure you head over to the website for the full recipe. It's waiting on ya. And if you love sweet potato pie like I do, go ahead, like, share, and comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next recipe.